right, time now to get a check of our Doppler 10 forecast. Chief Meteorologist Jerry Martz is tracking rain for tomorrow.
Yeah, Jerry, are we talking storms or just rain?
Probably both.
Okay.
Actually, with the possibility of some stronger thunderstorms will be with us across central Ohio. We're trying to break down the timing on that, and the resolution is just escaping us at the moment. But we're going to break it down for you hour by hour. But be prepared, right? With some downpours possible, some hail, and even some damaging winds with these storms. And once we get in that rain train, we're going to be there on and off for the next 7 days. So keep that in mind. So what we're talking about for tomorrow, unfortunately, will repeat itself as we get into the weekend and then into next week again.
It's always repeating itself on the weekend.
I know. It'll take a day or two here and there, but it seems like they have a long stretch.
We had 3 dry days, which is about all you can hope for in July in central Ohio, right? That's going to come to an end tomorrow. Take a look outside right now. We're looking at a bit of haze out there, a few fair weather clouds, and our Bolton Field Tower camera looking off toward the west. And that is the direction these storms are going to be coming from, off to the west and the southwest over the next 24 to 36 hours. So keep that in mind if you're out and about and gazing at the sky. 87 degrees right now in Columbus, a little more comfortable in Delaware. Good evening at 82. Lancaster 86, Newark the same, and getting a little closer to 90 in Circleville at 88 degrees this evening. Let's go hour by hour, starting tomorrow morning. Notice things look a little bit unsettled early in the day. What I want you to focus on is not the exact location or the time, but as these waves of storms move through, know that they can and will contain some heavy downpours, some gusty winds, and possibly some hail. At 7:30 in the morning, it looks very unsettled from Interstate 70 southward. This initial wave begins to fade just a bit as we get toward midday. Still a lingering line of some thunderstorms south from Lexington down toward Chillicothe. That's at lunchtime tomorrow. Middle part of the day, kind of catch our breath before things refire in the second half of the evening on Thursday, especially along and north of I-70 by 6 to 9 p.m. tomorrow. So again, any one of these thunderstorms could be problematic with the possibility of some strong winds and some hail and even some flooding. So this is how we are rating the potential impacts for tomorrow's storms. Tornadoes not out of the question, but lower on the priority list. Strong winds, large hail possible, and any flooding will be isolated, but it could be quick, and that's one of the things we're concerned about with these slow-moving storms. Tomorrow, the Get It Done forecast, if you've got something you have to do outside, probably favoring the middle part of the day, as that's the best opportunity for a lull in those storms. But in the morning and through the evening, the threat will continue. A quick look at Friday. This is a bit of improvement. As active as tomorrow could be, Friday, the opposite. We're going to see things settling down. I wouldn't call it cooling down, but notice the absence of clouds and storms on Friday. Unfortunately, we're going to be back in that rain rut on Saturday, so Friday looks to be a good day leading into the weekend, but be prepared for some changes to start things off on Saturday. Tomorrow, the threat for severe weather is with us. 70% chance of thunderstorms early and late. 86, just a slight chance on Friday. Saturday to Sunday, we'll keep that threat going. Monday, drying things out just a bit. Cooling off, relatively speaking, Tuesday and Wednesday, but right back in the upper 80s by the end of our 10-day forecast.
All right. Thank you, Jerry.